Have you guys ever taken a trade at night just to wake up in the morning, not to hit your level, and for it to come back all the way back to your entry? And I know most of the people have, and that also happened to me many, many, many times, but there's a simple solution to fix that, which is understanding the third 6 hour candle, which is now this highlighted area. And inside of that, you guys will now have the same fractal third 90-minute inside of the third 6 hour candle. So what are those? Those are all candle sequencing for now, not the daily, but for the 6 hour candle. Just like I taught you guys on the other video, now we're talking about understanding one 6 hour candle, which in this case is the third 6 hour candle of the day. Okay. So in the day, again, open, low, high, close, or open, high, low, close. And what do you get? You get first six, second six, third six, fourth six, and with the fourth six, that's the daily close. And with the first six, that's the daily open. Okay, so those are simple facts that we can again now apply inside of the 6 hour candle. So now inside of the 6 hour candle, what will you get? Open, low, high, close, or open, high, low, close of the 6 hour fractal, right? Just like the daily now. So inside of that, you get the first 90-minute candle and the second 90-minute candle and the third 90-minute candle and then the fourth 90-minute candle. And now fourth 90-minute candle is the close of this 6 hour candle. And the first 90-minute is now the open of the 6 hour candle. So this is where most people get caught off now. So now when you're in the third six, that's now your New York session, right? Your London session finishing going into New York session is exactly at this time. So when you're looking here, now you can fractalize this 6 hour candle, just like I have highlighted the third fractal, and now we're on the fourth fractal here. But again, if you guys pay attention to the first 90-minute of the third 6 hour candle, what do you guys notice here? That is now your open high of your 6 hour candle, right? So that's why in the morning, simply if you're up in profit from the night, it's the best idea with time, right? And it's failing to gap higher exactly with the open high of this third 6 hour candle. So now if you have that confirmation, it's the best idea, even if your bias is to continue higher, is to TP. Because why would you want to sit down and come back all the way, give all your money back, and then almost get stopped out just for it to reverse to go high? Right? And I know you guys been in that scenario many times. And same is true for the opposite, right? If you guys took the short at night and it's printing, and it's going down, right? All night. Same right here. This is exactly example right here. So this is your daily open high. And you guys can see if you shorted in the at night, you're up, you're up, you're up, you're up. In the morning, right? Third six comes, and what does it do? Open low. So if you fail to realize that's the open low at this period of time, then again, you'll fail to TP the short from up here and you'll get reversed on exactly on time again. Right on third 90, you guys see the reversal coming in to take the shorts out now, giving you a long, right? Which is now what? That's your daily, open high, low, close, right? So going back to our current example, same thing again, right? But opposite. So now it was long at night and coming into the morning, we're doing a open high, right? So in the morning, if you guys want to see continuation, right? Just say this is a different example. If you guys wanted to see a continuation in the morning, right? Then you need to see the 6 hour open low, right? Open low and then give you a higher low into these gaps. Or you guys can, whatever you guys want to apply, your fib levels, whatever, and then it comes back in. And again, not fair value higher at this point, going into the third 90, then you can again take a long. That's a long setup, valid long setup. But in the morning, you wake up and you're heavily in profit and it's doing a open high on the third six, then that's your key to take profit. And again, now you can look for a re-entry, right? And or even take a short right after you TP. So you successfully made money throughout the night while you're sleeping, wake up, drop the greed, take your money home, and again, it will give you another exact setup again for you to take again, or even a short, right? Look at this short just from this time, 5% down, right? So try this thing, guys, and let me know how it is, right? You guys can back test it, try it, but apply this time logic while you're trading your price action, right? Just looking at price again here, right? It looks so bullish. I'll take off the time here for you guys. Just look at the price here. Not thinking about, again, time now. We have our price levels, right? We have our price targets, your external high, right? And you had this internal high here, right? Just from the price, we're getting a massive displacement, right? And at this point, most people will look for a continuation higher, right? Because now we've been breaking structure to the upside, and we just took this high out too. But within how I teach price too, for me, just even the price itself at this point, what are we doing? What do I teach you guys, right? Price hits, what are we not doing? We're not able to fair value higher, right? We're not gapping higher. So for me, just even reading the price within the order flow, this is already telling me, okay, this is a failure. And I would expect a new inversion to come in the market and a new fair value to go low. So now with that even in confluence, now you turn on the time. Now, what do you get? You get time and price alignment, right? Exactly with the 6 hour candle open high. What do you guys see? No gap up, right? Not able to fair value higher, plus inversion, and after inversion, lower high, plus after the lower high, a new fair value down, right? And after the fair value down, you guys can see the price comes back into the fair value, and again, fair value is low. So that's clearly a mega rejection. You have multiple confluence that it's going to fail here. But even myself, I used to hold that. I used to think that, oh, yep, just because price looks good, it might hold here. It might hold here. Failing to realize that was the open high of this 6 hour candle, right? If you're just looking at the price, this is bullish structure, bullish price action. But if you're understanding it within a terms of candle sequencing, this sequence is not bullish to start the move. Again, with the up move right off the open, it's not a bullish move, guys. That's how retail traders get trapped 90% of the time. And then again, same true for the other side, right? When we're doing open low, masses are getting scared. Masses think, oh, straight off the open, now we're going down, right? This is where now you guys need to open your eyes and look for opportunities, right? When we're not able to fair value lower after taking out liquidity as that open low is happening. So if you guys found value in this video, make sure to give a like and let me know how it goes for your back test and see, how much money you can save and actually take profit on time, understanding this.